Mummy, I don't want to be at the hospital visiting Grandpa. I want to be playing Roblox. I don't care if there's free Wi-Fi. There isn't free Doritos. Come on, I'm winning. I'm running out of time. I was about to win Tower of Hell. I hate you. Mummy, my iPad's at 1%. Do you have a charger? Let me find somewhere to plug this in. That's probably not important. Let's plug this in. Mummy, what's that beeping noise? It's really annoying. I'm not going to win Tower of Hell. Mummy, turn off the beeping noise. I just lost because of the freaking beeping noise. Mummy, I don't care that old Grandpa Frank's dead. Turn off the beeping noise.